Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to protect electrical wires. So I'm going to create a little mock-up demonstration right here, and I need you to sort of use your imagination. So let's imagine that this is a piece of wood that is on the ceiling, and there is a hole here, and there's electrical wiring that is going through this. So this is a ceiling joist, and there's a hole here with electrical wiring going through it this way. Imagine that. Now imagine that this is the side where you are going to be screwing drywall into, okay? So let's imagine, once again, electrical wire is going through here just like that, and you're going to be putting drywall screws right onto here and other various types of screws. If you have to, mount anything, you're going to mount it this way, okay? So let's say that you have a screw and you're using a screw that is fairly long, and you screw it into here and it goes and it nicks the electrical wire. It cuts the electrical wire. That can be a problem. So I'm going to show you an easy way to prevent that from happening. What we have here is something called an electrical protection plate, okay? It comes in a box that just sort of looks like this. I actually have a pack of 50 right here, but this is sort of what it looks like. It's just an electrical protection plate, okay? Very, very simple. Now what you do is you place it, let's say the electrical wire was right over here, okay? You place it right there over the electrical wire. You take a hammer and you hammer it down so that it's pretty much flush with the wood. Now, when you are screwing drywall into place, or if you are putting any screws into the wood, what's going to happen is you're going to be hitting this metal. So it will not allow you to screw into the wood where there is electrical wiring. And that will prevent any future mishaps. If you are screwing something into the wood and you forget where there is electrical wiring, this will remind you that you cannot screw there so that you cannot nick the electrical wires or cut the electrical wires. Because if you cut the electrical wires and they're behind the drywall, it can cause a whole bunch of work, of extra work. So if you use something as simple as this, these electrical protection plates, and you hammer them into place over on the wood where there is electrical wiring, they will save you. They could potentially save you a lot of time in the future when you are screwing the drywall into place and when you are putting any screws into the wood for any reason. And it doesn't only they don't only have to be used on ceiling joists. You can use them on the walls and pretty much anywhere where there's wood and there's electrical wiring going through the wood. It's literally that simple. These simple products can save you a ton of time and a ton of work, simply because they will remind you where there are electrical wires when you are screwing things into the wood, and they will remind you that you should not be screwing there. Okay, you should not be placing screws in that spot. And that's basically it. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.